Then Chris Board Installation Specialist. Right, today, lovely one. Look at this. Lovely, solid fuel boiler. Put your coal in there. Turn your heating on, solid fuel. Old style way of doing things. All we're doing is converting it to oil. So we've got our oil tank in the garden, put it on our nice concrete base. So we put a nice oil Worcester boiler here. Open flue going through the chimney. Didn't want that option, so we're just going to go straight through the wall, which is the most preferable option. And that's it. So we've got things with this, an old gravity heating system. So we've got to take a 28mm heating pipe all the way to the airing cupboard. It's all our set up in there, which means motorways, valves, pumps, bypass valves, etc. What we do every day, very, very easy for us. And that's it really. So, what a lovely little job on a Monday.